16 comments. Oh my gosh. How? Nigger, this is always getting out of hand. Hey yo, what is this? I checked this many times already. This sabotage killer. Why does he always search gooning always? Bro, bro. Hey, you know what? It will be your worst nightmare. No, but that is someone. I don't even know who's this. What is this? I think he's look he was just get looking for I don't know that channel, maybe that's just some random guy said the N-word. I just deleted his comments because he can't stop. Okay, how about here? How about here? Bro, there's too much. Bro, this getting out of hand. Why this is getting out of hand? Hey, but I didn't keep that promise. I ain't transferring school because that's just a waste of money. I don't wanna I don't want to be poor. Okay, this is the story. This is the story. Since I'm trying to improve this school year because last year my average is B minus 82. Oh, yeah, waste of money. Shut the fuck up, man. Shut the fuck up. Hey, yo. Why balls? What balls? What is balls? Oh my god. God. Yeah, that's too bad, bro. I ain't coming into that. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of comments I've ever seen. 37 replies. He. Soviet Union, USSR, Third Reich, the Black Legion, Koklaks. I think it's positive it was him. He's my number one suspect because he's just the one who see into my channel. Alt. Yeah. I know 6-7 sucks anymore, but I don't care. Stop saying the word nigga. It's very bad word. Bro, I just remember he just said a while ago, bro, I deleted his comments here. Shut up, man. I know he was lying. I kinda don't believe him if he said that was not my channel. I kinda don't believe that. My god. And who is that? Of course it's you. You're lying. Yeah, but you're still lying. Hmm. Them. Them. Being innocent. Them. I just remember a lot of comments in post, bruh. I never saw them again. And what else did he comment? Oh, I know this one. This one. No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Hmm. I'm not going to subscribe to that. I ain't going to subscribe. Man, why just he betrayed me like that? He just, I think he hate me so much. Why do he hate me so much now? Before, he's not like that. Hmm. He is, he is now at, ah, he's now a threat. No, I dislike that. God damn it. How about his channel? Let us see his channel. Go in. Okay, okay, okay. Get out. Let's see his channel first. Okay, I just remember I got 37 comments from him. No, not that one. Let me see this one. No. God, shut up. Okay, first let me go there. He, bro, it wasn't my fault if because they just treat me like a girl. I still want what I still want to become a real man. I still wanted. I hate becoming a girl. I still hate becoming a girl. If they treat me like a girl, I just ignore them because that was being proactive works. But if they're like this to me, I'm done. I'm just telling Sir Angelo if they won't stop, and it will be considered bullying if they kept teasing me like that. If they kept calling me a girl. Yeah. So I I still want to become a man. I still want to become a man because but not all everyone hates me because everyone, bruh, I still want to become a real one. I still wanted. So so if everyone hates me, hmm, not everyone hates me, just a few people. They don't hate you because because you're perfect the way you are. Even if you are being bullied, just don't mind the past because I already admitted that I bully someone, and I already admit my wrongdoing behavior in grade 8 because I've been to being disrespectful from my classmates since 7 gold. So when I was 8 green, I'm already improving my behavior. And if nobody cares, nobody cares. They just hate me. Only a few people hate me. No one hates me because hating people is bad. That is because if you hate someone, that is an evil eye between someone. Jealousy. I think they're just angry. I think they have jealousy in their minds. I guess they have jealousy in their minds, so that's why they're putting hate in their minds. Hatred is wrong. Hatred is very wrong. You're not supposed to hate people because they did not do anything to you. And it's also a major of it's al- it's also a major offense of hating people, bullying people. Because if someone hates me, I will just stay the people who trust me. I only have one friend. I still have friends, but I lose one. So when I was grade 6, I have lots of friends, and they kept telling me to become a girl. But even though I hate it, I wanna become a real man. I lose all of them. They're fake. So I only have one friend named Gwen. I think she's the one. She's she the she's the only one. I deserve. Wait, you know what? I deserve kindness too. I'm also a human because people thinking me that I'm a bad guy. But okay, if they won't forgive me, I am here to apologize for all what I've done for in 7 goals.